everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we are going to explore an awesome new feature from Google Classroom. They have finally came through and they are allowing us to schedule assignments to multiple classes. So come over with me to Google Classroom and I'm going to show you this awesome new feature. So here we are in Google Classroom, and I've gone in and followed the normal process of making an assignment. I've added the title, I've added the directions, and you can of course still go down here and add any type of media that you choose from your computer, Google Drive, YouTube, links, etc. But what you're going to want to look closely at is over here on the right hand side where you normally go and pick the class. So now you can choose multiple classes to assign this to, as you normally would have. But what you're going to want to do is go in here like you're going to schedule it to post at a certain time, which you did have the ability to do that, but now you have so many more features. So I'm going to hit schedule and then look at the features that I now have. So say you have this class that meets with you at 8 o'clock every morning and you want that to post on March 31st at 8 a.m. and then you want to give it a due date of April 8th. And you can put it under whatever topic that you have for that class. But then I have this other class here, and I want to still publish it on March 31st, but I don't see them until maybe 10 o'clock a.m. So I can manipulate that feature. And then I can give it a due date. So maybe I still want it due April 8th. And I can still put it in the topics. And then I can do this for each of my classes, or I can even tell it to publish now. Or I can copy the settings, one set of settings, to all of my classes. And then I can hit schedule. So just to review, follow your normal procedure for making an assignment. Drop down the menu by assign and hit schedule. And then you can manipulate each class and how you want them to see and have access to that assignment. So many new features are being added to Google Classroom daily, and this one is one that we've been waiting for so long. So thank you, Google. Thank you, Google Classroom, for adding this in. It's hopefully going to make lots of teachers' lives easier. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I will be happy to assist. Thanks for listening. Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something that you can find useful on Google Classroom today. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons below and look at the videos that are available there for you at the end. Subscribe so you're able to find more videos for your tech tutorial needs, and I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.